What's up, guys? It's Skylar Plush Times, and today get the camera a little freaking correct. How do you guys see that? Bargain bin toys. Let's get right into it. All right, so set these aside. What should we open first? This. We are opening this first. Big Shot Ballers Minifigs Series 1. One figure with carbonite in each pack. Let's get LeBron James. Oh, they don't have the cuts. Are you? There we go. Alright, what do we get? Who is this? This is... Hold on, let me check. It's the first dude. His name is... Guineas. Oh gosh, I don't want to mess this up. Guineas. Onpo? Yeah, sure. That's what it is. This dude. Alright, now we have Harry Potter collectibles. Find the limited edition Furry Fang. 14 to collect. Series 4. Sheesh. Bag contains one collectible pencil topper. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me. Freaking pencil topper. This one also doesn't have a slit. Okay, let's see who we get. Oh. Guys, I won't freaking watch Harry Potter. I've read not even half of the first book. Let's see who we got. Who's this guy? We got Skull Kid. He reminds me of the guy. It looks like the guy from Little Nightmares. Looks like the guy from Little Nightmares if he had a black coat. It's he's a rare. His name's Death Eater. What does he do? Eat dead people? That'd be kind of creepy. But yeah, so this guy. All right, let's put him with the other junk. Get this trash out of the way. Now we have Star Wars character bag clips. Series 2. How come none of these have a slit? All these things should normally have a slit. This is weird. Oh, gosh. Freaking heck. Ah. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. Who do we get? Are you freaking kidding me? Out of all of the ones we could have got, we got this thing. Are you kidding me? That's messed. Oh my god. Jeez. Wasting money. I tell you. Next we have something that looks pretty interesting. Anytime Zen-O. Not Zen-Ho. Zen-O. Toll animation. 15 and older. If anyone asks, I'm 15. Not me being 10 years old or anything. Alright, let's see who we get. Just give it to me. Oh, it's small. Extremely, extremely small. Jeez. This one, what's it called? Oh, it doesn't have a name. This thing. This oh, sorry, Dragon Ball fans. I don't watch Dragon Ball. I only watch Death Note, which is the superior anime, and you should watch it. I'm the new Max Mofo, guys. I'm the new Max Mofo. What do we do next? Ryan's World. Because I swear to God, if I get this, or this, or this, I'm gonna hang myself. Not literally, guys. I'm gonna be family friendly. I like to be a family friendly freaking. Oh my gosh. Well, I mean, at least it wasn't a girl, but it was a freaking heckin' shark. His name is Titan Universe Gil. Shout out to people who watch Ryan's toy review. I can't believe Ryan's toy review is 10 years old. He's 10. Ryan is 10. He's the age of me. That's insane. Like, I cannot believe that. Just something seems suspicious about him. Oh, wait, no, you can't forget his microphone. Microphone. Right, how does this work? How does this work? How the heck does this work? Oh my goodness, gravy. Oh my goodness, it can't fit in his hand. Oh my goodness gracious. Everyone, Biden was elected for president. Everyone. No! You know what? I'm just going to stop because I don't like getting into politics on YouTube. We have, oh, sorry. Yes, Fortnite Rust Lord Series 1. Wait, is this Rust Lord? Is this going to be Rust Lord? I'm confused. I love Fortnite, but I'm confused. Like, what in the world? Oh, yep, I was right. It's Rust Lord. Okay. Okay, so I think I get it. Like, it shows you on the package. There was a drift there. Oh, no. Why? Why was there? Oh, my goodness. At least, no, I'm still the luckiest person in the world, guys. So, like, I have a screen protector phone case, and, like, I bet you guys think I'm boring, because I am, but, I have a girlfriend, so I can't be that boring. So, anyway, so I have, like, a phone case, and I have to take it off in order. Oh, sorry. Minions, Rise of Gru, Puzzle Pals. And so I have to take off the screen protector thing. Set this aside. And I have to take it off to, you know, like, film. Because, like, it has a pop socket on the back. And so, like, I have to take it off. And it's hard to take it off. So I asked my mom to do it, and she can't do it because she never can. And I tried, and it didn't work. So I go into my room, I open it up like a handy-dandy drawer, that's what I call it. And I get like this little flashlight, and it has like a really thin back. And so I like kind of like pull it up, and the thing shatters. It scared me. I ran to the other side of the bed and literally started crying because I was scared that it shattered my screen. But it didn't, and I'm the luckiest person in the world. This is why you gotta believe in God, guys. I'm being serious. This is why you gotta believe in God. he does these little simple things like this that save your butt from getting a butt whooping. That save your butt from getting a, yeah. But yeah. My mom freaked out. She started swearing at me. And then she finally calms down. I go into the corner of my room and call my dad. He was pretty chill about it. Shout out to my dad for being so chill. Also shout out to my mom for not being chill. Oh my gosh. But seriously, shout out to my parents for always helping me out. I wouldn't be here right now if it wasn't for them. I'd probably be in an orphanage if I didn't say anything. But anyway, all right, let's open this Minion Bolt. We got a bunch of things. Oh, we gotta make this. Well, I didn't get Gru, so I'm a little mad. I want a Gru. I don't want these minions. Well, I'll see you guys in the next clip because I don't think you want to watch me, guys. You want to watch me assemble this. Okay, so after 10 freaking long minutes of building this, I got these two. No face reveal, sorry guys. I don't want my put my face on camera. I just don't feel like it's safe. But I got these two clowns. All right, now our journey has come to an end. I'm slightly happy and slightly sad because I'm too poor to buy anything else. I'm obviously kidding, guys. I'm not actually that poor. But I just didn't want to buy anything else because I didn't want to waste any more money. I'll probably use... actually, I like some of this stuff, to be honest. Besides this. And I don't really like this thing. But everything else I actually like. If this thing's okay. But everything else, yeah, it's cool. But now we have Space Jam Series 2 minifigures. Alright, let's open it up. Oh my goodness gracious. There we go, finally. Doo-doo pile. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Trust me, I got a series 1 of this. Like, it was easy to open. Okay, there we go. Got it. Ooh, I got Bugs Bunny Batman. I already know that because from last season, that's what happened. Do you really think anybody's going to remember Space Jam 2? Because, let's be real here. LeBron James will never be freaking, he will never be, LeBron James will never be Michael Jordan. He will never be Michael Jordan. It was a classic. Also, guys, if you guys want a shout out in the next video, just go ahead and just say something down below, like I love your videos. If I bet no one's even watching this video. It's probably just my parents and like 2 strangers. But thank you guys so much for subscribing. Like, you guys really don't know how much this means to me. I got 19. Yep, see, this is a pretty awesome fig. Comes in this plastic waste. Polluting the environment and polluting the environment. Whoa, snapped loudly. It's a ball inside of a ball. So when you open it up, you have to open up this madness. and there's nothing inside. Okay. 1 minute. Well, in review, let's see what we got. So, in review, we got this little guy with the microphone, cute. We got this little Fortnite, what's his name? Rust Lord. Death Eater from Harry Potter. The little Bugs Bunny Batman, awesome. I think is pretty cool. The minion that actually, I think this guy took longer than the other minion, but yes, there's a minion, and then there's another minion. These are like eraser type stuff, so like it feels like an eraser. It's so annoying. Like you can see, like the texture, the way it's textured. I think it looks like plastic on the camera, but it's not. And then we got freaking Kanye West. Get it? Because Kanye West is... Never mind, Kanye West isn't married to Kim Kardashian. I was going to make a joke since it was a black guy. Saying black, by the way, just for you guys know, saying black isn't racist. But it looks like Kanye West, because he's black. And then with hair. And then he got Kim Kardashian lips. See? He got them Kim Kardashian lips. And then we got this guy. Zen-O. This disgrace to humanity. Alright guys, so that's gonna be all for today's video. I'm tired. I am actually so grateful that my phone didn't break, and so sorry for all the long, boring stories. I like to do that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's it for today. Alright, see you guys later. Adios.